Hello and welcome to Bhumi World. I would like to ask you a little bit about your journey, about the journey of your industry, and what products or services do you manufacture or cater to?
मैं किस फील्ड से कहाँ आ गया? मैं मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल हूँ, लेकिन फूड का इंटरेस्ट मेडिकल कॉलेज में ही था, तो वो इंटरेस्ट वहीं से जागा था। फिर बॉम्बे आने के बाद वहाँ से छोटे से एक प्रोडक्ट शुरू किया और आज मैं प्राउडली बोल सकता हूँ मेरे पास 167 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं।
From 2008 to 2010, I was practicing naturopathy. Then I came across to apple cider vinegar. Nowadays, it's quite famous. At that time, no one was knowing it, and no one was manufacturing in India. So I'm the first who started manufacturing apple cider vinegar. So in 2012, I started a small factory in Ghatkopar in Mumbai, and then results were very amazing. Yeah, we have apple cider vinegar with mother, which is well known for good digestion, as well as it is known for kidney stone dissolver also. And main, the hot topic is weight loss. So people are using apple cider vinegar for weight loss also. Then we started some another products manufacturing which manages blockages, heart blockages and cholesterol. So people used to get result within 3 months when they see to the doctor again for the follow-up. And doctor was also shocked that you have no more blockages now और आपका cholesterol भी अभी down आ गया है. So people are happy. So mouth to mouth publicity से बहुत बढ़ गया and the market is now booming. Top brands in India के cosmetics, they are our we are supplying to them as a raw material.
We started in our journey in 1988. It was started by my father, Mr. Praveen Jutalal Nisar. And from 2004 till 2012, he was playing a very active role in the business. And my journey, when I entered into the business, and I was already working with some firm as an interior designer. So for me, coming into a modular furniture was like, a very tricky types. I developed my own taste, I developed my own designs, I developed my own colors. The colors which I am using here right now are like, this all are imported. The decor is imported from Germany.
I'm the third generation in this business. This business was started by my great grandfather in 1967. वो टाइम पे हम लोग ने खाली स्टील का बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था एंड आई जॉइंड दिस बिजनेस इन 2008 के बाद हम लोग ने स्टार्ट किया विद ऑल दिस होटल्स, केटरिंग्स एंड और कमर्शियल मशीनरीज, इक्विपमेंट्स, क्रॉकरी एंड ऑल. So previously from 1967 we are based in Mumbai only and still we have our office in Mumbai and we shifted to Bhumi World in 2017. But मेरा शोरूम भी है यहाँ पे. मेरा डेली क्लाइंट्स विजिट करते हैं, होटलियर्स है, केटरर्स है, रेस्टोरेंट्स है, ओनर्स है, वो लोग आके शोरूम विजिट करते हैं, ऑर्डर्स देते हैं.
So Satellite Plastic was established in 1983. So we will be completing 40 years next year. And we actually established our company to sell machinery for the extrusion of plastic pipes. And we started selling machines from Italy, from different companies, and selling them to leading pipe producers like Astral, Ashirwad, Supreme Industries, Prince Pipe, Jain Irrigation, Sudhakar Polymers and so on.
जर्नी सर 1969 से शुरू है. पहले जोगेश्वर में थे, उसके बाद एक साल के पहले भूमि वर्ल्ड में हम आए और भूमि वर्ल्ड इंडस्ट्रियल पार्क इज टू गुड और हम लोग को यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
What we are into is manufacturing of packaging cartons. So anything that is printed on paper, जैसे आपका commercial brochures हो गया, catalogs हो गया, या तो फिर हमारे जो packaging cartons रहते हैं, जैसे आपके pharmaceutical boxes आते हैं where the medicines are kept, so that, or cosmetic boxes or your food and beverages boxes. So we cater to different industries जिसके लिए packaging is very essential. So we have latest technology machines for our printing out here, offset machinery. So we have 6+ coater machinery हम बोलते हैं Heidelberg का. So your 6 colors can be printed at a time और उसके ऊपर जो finishing भी होता है, that is an online process. So it actually reduces your production time by half.
We are having around we are catering all pipe industries, fitting industries, so that is related to PVC market, and we started in the year of 1996, and it was the journey was very tough, and we started with scratch actually. We were nothing actually in the market. And in the year of 1999, we got a break from PVC market. We started catering Prince Industries and Supreme. So my journey was a bit, we can say it started rising up. And in the year of 2006, we got an establishment that new rubber products are something. This journey was in the Sonapur, Banduk. The area was not so good, so we put down an office in the Mulund for the people to come around us over there. And in the year of 2016, we contacted Mr. Prakash Patel. He showed us the new venture that they are putting. Initially, there was an RCC shed. And then they offered us for the PEB shed. That was good enough, and that was a new era for us. And we had a gradual growth from there. So 2017 October, we started in the month of October, which was Dashera, and we never looked back. So this was an amazing journey for us. We are having 4 sheds over here on the variety, many names of my firm. One is Neo Rubber, Neo Poly Industries, Soham Rubber, Neo Metals. We are into everything, right? Which is catering all pipes and fitting industries.
This is our business. We started initially in Dubai. After Dubai, we went to Surat. After Surat, we started here in 2013. I'm an insurance man. This is my son-in-law's business. He wanted somebody to take care of. So after my retirement with National Insurance Company, I joined this company as a director. So technical part, Mr. Nikhil is handling after.
We are an auto ancillary workshop. So we service fuel pumps, turbochargers, starters, alternators, which are there fitted on the diesel engine.
Yeah, so I have been fortunate enough. So this is a family-owned business started by my dad. So we have been in this business since 1977. Me myself, I am an engineer. I did my engineering from Father Agnes, and I was working with Larsen & Toubro. But it's in our DNA to do business, so that's how I joined my dad. And once we joined in, then as I say, there's no looking back. So I just moved from scale to levels. So it's been around 16 years for me. So we provide you the end-to-end solution. Just like when you're doing a restaurant, you hire an architect to do the front end of the restaurant. You hire a kitchen design consultant and a manufacturer to do the back end of the restaurant. So we do the entire kitchen equipment, like from your hot ranges, gas burners, refrigeration, exhaust systems, your cold chain. We provide you with designs that you hire a contractor to execute on site. We manufacture those equipments, we deliver those equipments, and then we maintain those equipments as well.
So actually, like TurboTech, we started this company in 2015, and the purpose was we were actually traders of engineering tools, and the next logical move for us was manufacturing. So in 2015, and manufacturing sector in India, we believe will grow, and there is endless possibility. So that was the major reason we got into engineering manufacturing. In the primary customer, since 2015, it's been a good learning journey. We've been successful with a lot of critical components, precision components, and majorly whatever we manufacture is being exported by our clients. The parts we manufacture for them are basically used in spray. There are spray nozzles, variety of cleaning machines for variety of sectors. And so I believe anybody getting into manufacturing, one thing is there is endless scope, because India is going to be, because we are still lacking compared to China in that sector. And we do have scope if we can, meet those international standards. And if we can focus on quality and, productivity, delivery, definitely I don't think there is any limit anywhere. So the limit is, it's endless basically.
Can you tell us about your journey with Bhumi World?
Bhumi World has helped a lot. सबसे अच्छी चीज इनका personal touch.
Then I started getting associated with Nanji Patel, the founder, and Prakash Patel. They gave me the insight, the ease of work. So it was very easy for me to make my mind to come to Bhumi World.
When clients of ours come from outside, when they come to Bhumi, they're surprised. The place looks proper.
The Banduk being in the heart of the city, there was many problems like unloading a truck. So it was not a proper industrial environment, and for growing my business, it was necessary to get into some kind of industrial environment or the place where there is a lot of space. Now people need space, so there is a lot of space to do everything, every small detailing of the work, that's why. So my experience with Bhumi World was like, it was wow.
So basically our machines, which you will see, are very long. They are actually 9 to 10 meters in length and about 2 to 3 meters in width. So we need big space. And whenever we start manufacturing these machines, the frame comes in, then the parts and the components, and it takes some time to assemble the complete machine. That is why we wanted to have a unit in a place where we could even get sub-suppliers. So we could find here in Bhumi itself.
Like we are into all commercial products, तो उसके लिए मुझे एक प्रॉपर जगह चाहिए थी कि क्लाइंट को भी इजीली एक्सेस होवे और एक क्लीन नीट जगह होवे काम करने के लिए. फिर जब भूमि वर्ल्ड में एंटर किया, सो इट वाज लाइक जस्ट एंटर के पता चला कि वाओ.
I went to Padga, right? There I saw two industrial park, but the vibrations were not matching. When I saw Bhumi World, I saw the vision. So this industrial park is built on the vision.
Bhumi is having a very good parking, very good spacious sheds. They are having a very good height. The height is around 32 feet, which I am having right now. The area is amazing. It's really good enough for us to build more factories over here.
We were in a small shop, like there was 1,200 square feet area, and the intention was to get into the machineries and get into laser cutting, CNC bending and all, which was not possible in that particular area. So we started looking for spaces. When we came here, the entire premise, the positive vibe, it was like overwhelming.
One thing I have to say, the last 10 years I have seen a lot of industrial parks, logistic parks in and around Bhumi World, but I don't see anything like Bhumi World around.
Bhumi gave us an affordability, like this shop that we were able to purchase, it met our requirement in size also and economics also. Here it was quite well laid out, the roads were quite good, lighting is good, security is good.
अगर आप अंदर से देखेंगे तो एक पॉश ऑफिस फैसिलिटी लग रही है, इंटीरियर्स जो है बहुत अच्छा है, और पीछे से जो इंडस्ट्रियल लुक है, यानी कि लिफ्ट है, राइट, गुड्स लिफ्ट वगैरह है, तो ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Owners or the builders, even after 10 years of setting up the industrial park, they are still maintaining and managing the place is commendable.
अगर ऐसे ग्रॉस देखेंगे तो भूमि वर्ल्ड हैज हेल्प्ड अ लॉट. बहुत सारे बिजनेस जिसको इंटरचेंजेबल तौर पे जोड़ रहे हैं लोग.
Because we are surrounded by big basket, we are surrounded by Nykaa, we are surrounded by M Caffeine, we are surrounded by Amazon, so it's very proud also.
यहाँ पे आने के बाद we've not faced a single issue. मतलब everything, the business has gone so smooth. We are enjoying at the toppest level, you can say right now.
We came here to buy around 2,500 square feet. We are here with 22,000 square feet.
So it's almost 10 times.
Exactly.
When you go to our customers, we are proud to say that we have a manufacturing facility in Maharashtra's beautiful industrial park.
So in Bhumi World, we have created an ecosystem which consists of more than 1,800 units, 40,000 workers and 350 plus global companies. So have you ever made use of this ecosystems in terms of receiving or providing services or products?
ये बहुत अच्छा हुआ. प्रकाश भाई, उनके भाई संदीप भाई, भूमि वर्ल्ड की टीम, इन्होंने एक अंदर से इकोसिस्टम तैयार किया है कि हम उनको यूज कर सके और वाजिब दाम पे हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स बाहर ट्रांसपोर्ट हो जाए.
जब भी हम लोग ने यहाँ पे फॉर्म किया था कंपनी, हार्डली देयर वाज वेरी फ्यू पीपल, बट व्हेन इट केम द भूमि अराइज्ड, तो वहाँ पे हम लोग का एक ग्रुप बन गया. तो ग्रुप में व्हेनेवर आई यूज्ड टू पुट समथिंग, so I used to get immediate response.
So there was some guy who posted on Bhumi group that he was looking for an SS equipment manufacturer or SS fabricator. I jumped on the occasion because I had nothing to do. We had the setup and we got connected.
जैसे कि in case अगर मुझे कोई चीज़ की ज़रूरत है तो हम लोग just पूछ लिया कि like I want a computer का कोई repairing वाला चाहिए.
Every alternate day we have something where we need their help or we need some parts to be developed, some tools to be developed.
जैसे पैकेजिंग के लिए मैं यहाँ से सोर्सिंग कर लेता हूँ, मुझे इन हाउस अंदर से पैकेजिंग मटेरियल मिल जाते हैं.
तो कभी कुछ अर्जेंसी में हमको लगता है that we cannot get directly from the mill, we can ask them, they can help it out.
टेक्नोलॉजी की छोटी मोटी चीजें हैं जैसे कंप्यूटर्स हैं, ये सब वो हमें सपोर्ट हो जाते हैं.
AC सर्विसिंग वाला चाहिए तो लाइक इन अ क्विक ऑफ अ सेकंड्स वी गेट ऑप्शन कि भाई ये आदमी है, ये आदमी है, ये आदमी है.
पर स्टेशनरीज हैं, बहुत सारे रॉ मटेरियल हैं, इन हाउस यही लोग हमारे लोग हैं.
So we approach them, they help us, and we do our work.
There are over 2,000 industries over here. So though I never intended to use or never thought that they would be beneficial for us.
Everything is sorted. मतलब ये proper ecosystem यहाँ पे है.
There are a lot of other advantages here. We get tempos very easily because short distances nobody wants to take our goods, within the premises.
बहुत सारे चीजें जो मैं बाजार में कहीं दूर जाके ढूंढूंगा उसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है.
गिव एंड टेक वाला ही यहाँ पे हम लोग का चलता है प्रिंटर्स के लिए, बिकॉज काफी जन आते हैं जिसकी कुछ इशू आया हो या कुछ हेल्प करने की जरूरत पड़ती हो. वी ऑलवेज देयर. सेम गोस फॉर द अदर पीपल.
Since every unit are nearby me, so I can try and error with the design. I can try and error with new products and develop my own product which is not matching to the players who are already making it.
When we require something related to packaging our product,
Logistics is 100% depends on packaging. Now the clients ask, what kind of packaging you'll provide in my product when you supply me?
So printing वाला अलग होता है, box बनाने वाला अलग होता है. It's very headache. So in Bhumi World, we have a one single vendor.
So it is very important to have a good packaging because even packaging plays an important role as your product plays.
Right.
The packing material, the printing material, I really got it from here. That was amazing.
everything is getting fulfilled inside Bhumi.
So yes, we have some good packaging industries in Bhumi World itself. So it is very easy for me.
There are people here who are providing very good transportation services for our goods and material.
All our transporters and courier companies, even our clients are here inside Bhumi because we are related to a lot of logistic companies.
If I have to send the goods anywhere in India, because daily there are spare parts that go to different parts of India to different customers, and we easily send it to Pune or Dapode to the transporters and book the material.
Transportation has saved, the journey and the time period. That is more important in our lives.
So वहाँ ही बॉक्स वाले भी है, प्रिंटिंग वाले भी है, और जो पैकेजिंग को लगता है सामान, that also we are getting very easily.
And the rates are amazing.
Yeah, and budget also because it is not in Mumbai. That's why the cost is also low.
बहुत सारी चीजें मुझे यहाँ अंदर ही मिलती है जी. और सबसे अच्छी बात है कि बाहर के मार्केट से मुझे यहाँ पे बहुत ही कॉम्पिटिटिव प्राइस में मिल रहा है. मैं इस बात से बहुत खुश हूँ. That is a winning point.
They require help with machining. Like there are some parts which they don't have machinery for. They can come to our place, and if we can accommodate, we definitely help people with that.
And then we have been supplying oxygen tanks for him that we did in the entire COVID scenario. So that's how the system works. It's very beautiful.
And during COVID times also, Bhumi World से काफी help भी मिली, और हमने भी काफी प्रोडक्ट्स कोविड टाइम पे डेवलप किए कि हम लोग भूमि वर्ल्ड के दूसरे जो फैक्ट्री ओनर्स है उनको केटर कर सके. लाइक हम लोग ने यहाँ पे सैनिटाइजर के स्टैंड्स वगैरह बनाए एंड मैनी अदर प्रोडक्ट्स रिलेटेड टू कोविड टाइम्स के सबको काफी हेल्प हुआ वो टाइम पे भी.
The eco-friendly nature, the many industries from different sectors working here is definitely useful for me. Yes.
So with the new MMRDA phase that has been approved at Bhumi World, what additional facilities will the industries get?
MMRDA होने से बहुत बेनिफिट होगा कि पहला तो एक टैगलाइन अच्छा हो जाता है.
Society is happening over here. You don't have proper water supply and electricity, which is very essential. And I think with the MMRDA approvals coming in, that's going to be like the icing on the cake.
You're saying 1,800 companies now, and there's no fire station, so that could help with the permissions from the government.
Even the roofs are insulated, so it is you get very less heat during the summer seasons. Then the ample parking space, which is a need for all the manufacturing or the logistics company.
एंड अदर परमिशंस भी लाइक MPCB परमिशंस है, इलेक्ट्रिक का दूसरा कुछ परमिशन है, फैक्ट्री ऑपरेशंस के लिए जो भी परमिशन चाहिए तो MMRDA में विल गेट दैट इजीली.
People are facing any kind of trouble today in getting approvals from the authorities, whether it is the Pollution Control Board or any other such authorities. So after MMRDA, these things will be very smooth. I think it would be just maybe the paperwork and the formalities, and things would be as smooth as that.
You can get your ISO approvals, you can get your other FDA certificates for food industry. All these would really benefit the industry to grow, and this is what we are looking at.
फ्यूचर में जो योजनाएं बैंकिंग के आते हैं वो सारे फैसिलिटीज के बेनिफिट हमको दिख रहे हैं.
A lot of people face problem with their loans and approvals.
अभी खाली कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स है जिसके इंटरेस्ट रेट्स इतने हाई है, सो MMRDA आने से आप कोई भी प्राइवेट बैंक्स वगैरह भी आपको लोन दे सकता है कि आप इंटरेस्ट रेट्स वगैरह भी कम लगेगा.
यहाँ की जिनके जो यूनिट्स हैं उनकी कॉस्ट बोलते हैं ना, लैंड की कॉस्ट भी बढ़ेगी, तो ऑटोमेटिकली 30-40% उनका वैल्यूएशन भी बढ़ गया.
As a owner of the property, it's better if you want to resell it. I think an MMRDA approval definitely will give a bonus on that. So I believe that could be the advantage.
Now with MMRDA, we expect a lot of more modern facilities coming in, and maybe approvals, authorities, licensings, all these things will get even more easier. Currently also, I think it is well organized, and we don't face a lot of problems. But after MMRDA, I think those things will be pretty smooth.
जो भी गवर्नमेंट से आते थे, जो भी बेनिफिट्स, वो सब पास ऑन होने वाले हैं जो यहाँ पे नहीं थे. बट दे आर गोना एंजॉय एवरीथिंग एकदम स्मूथली. दे जस्ट नीड टू गेट एवरीथिंग. जैसे हम घर पे जाके एवरी क्लोथ्स एंड एवरीथिंग दैट वी गेट, वैसे ही लाना है, मशीनरी स्टार्ट करना है, अपना चालू करना है प्रोजेक्ट. इट्स गोना बी दैट सिंपल,
राइट. एंड फुल्ली इक्विपमेंट्स जो लोडेड फैसिलिटी है, डायरेक्ट बोलते हैं ना प्लग एंड प्ले,
राइट.
सो वो फैसिलिटी भी आने वाली है.
We have made a good decision by coming here. Why? The reason behind it is there are many companies, many MNCs which have a constraint that they want a project or a warehouse which will be rented is according to all the government regulations, laws, everything in place.
Right.
Bhumi management has been trying to get through with this thing. I think for the past 3-4 years they've been trying very hard.
So I think that this MMRDA project will help us as well as the Bhumi world to grow a lot.
Yeah, it's first good news that MMRDA ये पूरा एरिया हो गया है.
Hats off to Prakash again and Sandeep and Nanji bhai. The thing is that it is having an amazing space. First of all, the height they have given is around 46 feet. I'm thinking about somewhere around. And secondly, it is having the fire-proof this thing, automatic shutters, automatic windows, and which are flame-proof and everything. And you can build an amazing space over there. We are also trying to put out some space if Prakash is going to give me an amazing deal for that.
So Bhiwandi is now known as the logistical or the industrial hub. What do you see the future of Bhiwandi as?
Future of Bhiwandi is great. Why? Because
एशिया का लार्जेस्ट इंडस्ट्रियल हब अकॉर्डिंग टू स्पेस भिवंडी ही है.
Our experience up to now says that the future in Bhiwandi is going to be very bright.
8-lane highway coming nearby Bhumi World, so it is going through it. So basically the connectivity will be very easy.
the 8 lane, this is declared as a national highway, so it will be very great.
और बॉम्बे से भी आप अगर ऐसे कैलकुलेट करने जाओ कि 10 किलोमीटर के डिस्टेंस पे आपको ये कनेक्टिविटी है, तो ऐसा नहीं बोला जाए कि आप बॉम्बे से दूर हो. बॉम्बे से भी कनेक्टिविटी ईजी है. और अभी जो नया ग्रोथ हो रहा है, मेट्रोज आ रही है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बढ़ रहा है, सो फ्यूचर तो ऑब्वियस है.
The position of Bhiwandi is like now part of Mumbai city. There's a station coming up near the Pimpla station. So all these will really add up to the infrastructure and make this a hub, definitely.
क्योंकि ऐसा लोकेशन है कि यहाँ से मैं दूसरे स्टेट्स को कनेक्ट कर सकता हूँ. जैसे यहाँ पे गुजरात है, महाराष्ट्र में तो है, या महाराष्ट्र के इंटीरियर में बहुत सारे सिटीज में बी क्लास ऑफ सिटी को यहाँ से हम कर सकते हैं.
सोच लो कि आदमी को अगर यहाँ से कुछ भी भेजना है तो बॉम्बे नजदीक हो गया. बॉम्बे बीइंग क्लोज, थाने बीइंग क्लोज.
Bhiwandi today is having an amazing growth.
And then real estate and infrastructure has coming up. So, for us to even recruit people will not be a hassle at all.
Like Godrej, Mahindra and Lodha and few more. बहुत सारे हैं, बड़े बड़े ब्रांड हैं. ये कहीं भी जाके जल्दी कुछ ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च नहीं करेंगे. तो हमारे ही कॉम्प्लेक्स के आसपास, भूमि वर्ल्ड के आसपास, वेरी क्लोज विसिनिटी में बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट हो रहे हैं.
Bhiwandi looks very promising, growing at a very fast pace.
तो उसके अलावा there are a lot of people who are making houses. उसकी वजह से हाई एंड जो अपने को चाहिए, जैसे मैनेजर लेवल्स के हो गए पोजीशन, एवरीथिंग जो यहाँ पे डिफिकल्ट होता है, बिकॉज आने जाने का बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता था. तो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन वाइज रोड्स अच्छे बन रहे हैं एंड यहाँ पे फैसिलिटीज हो रही है, रहने की भी अच्छी हो रही है. सो आई गेस फ्यूचर में वी वोंट बी फेसिंग एनी इश्यूज.
It is easier for us to recruit people because there are so many new buildings coming up. तो उनको वो दिमाग में नहीं रहता है कि मुझे सिटी से आना है या बाहर से बहुत ट्रांसपोर्टेशन करके आना है. For them staying here is now becoming very convenient.
I believe like they must be doing it because they see some future out here, and we're seeing the change happening year by year. So we do believe like Bhiwandi would be in the industrial map. It's already there. It's been a traditional industrial zone, but I think it will get stronger by the years to come. I basically believe in that.
So that is very big enough for us, and that is incredible.
If you want to organize a big event, so it is, I think the Bhumi World or places around the Bhumi World will be selected for the big events, like we have a lot of space around Bhiwandi.
ग्रोथ होना ही है बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव एनी अदर ऑप्शन नियर बाय मुंबई. अगर आप वेस्टर्न लाइन में भी किधर वसई विरार चले जाओ तो वहाँ पे भी आपको वैसी इंडस्ट्री या तो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वाले कॉम्प्लेक्स कोई नहीं मिलेंगे.
तो जैसे कॉमनली बिजनेस में क्या फैक्टर्स हम देखते हैं? फर्स्ट इज कैपिटल, स्पेस, अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ पीपल एंड लॉजिस्टिक्स, फिर टेक्नोलॉजी एंड टोपोग्राफी, कि हम कहाँ बैठे हैं सो वहाँ से कहाँ पहुँचेंगे.
ये भूमि के अंदर ही ट्रेंड स्टार्टेड. देयर आर आई गेस अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1500 कंपनीज एज ऑफ नाउ MSME.
जी.
तो वो जो चालू यहाँ पे हुआ है वो आजू बाजू भी सब जगह स्प्रेड हुआ है. सो पहले लेबर का जो इशू हो रहा था अभी कुछ भी नहीं है. आई एम गेटिंग, मुझे अगर आज कोई लेबर चाहिए आई कैन गेट इट टुमारो. मैं किसी को बोल दूंगा 10 आ जाएंगे, एक चाहिए तो.
यहाँ पे मैन पावर इजी लेवल है, जो मुझे मुलुंड में थोड़ा टफ होता था मैन पावर के लिए, जो मुझे चाहिए थे, और यहाँ पे मिल जाते हैं अच्छे से मैन पावर.
All these will add up to the advantage. So I'm sure Bhiwandi and Bhumi both are going to grow very fast.
Yes.
इतना ही नहीं, जैसे रोड वाइड होगा तो उसके साथ बहुत सारी चीजें अपने आप अट्रैक्ट होकर आ जाती है. कहीं भी इंफ्रा एक बार डेवलप हुआ तो इंफ्रा के साथ भी बहुत सारे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और भी आ जाते हैं साथ में. तो एक रोड बनना एक इंफ्रा का एक हिस्सा है, तो अपने आप वही चीजें आएंगी और वो हम लोगों को बेनिफिट होगी. तो ये फ्यूचर के हिसाब से हमें भी बहुत बेनिफिट क्या होगा, एक अलग क्वालिटी की बस्ती हमारे बगल में आ जाएगी और हम भी फ्यूचर में देखेंगे नजदीक घर से वॉक करते, मॉर्निंग वॉक पे आए और इवनिंग वॉक करते चले गए.
So we met with a lot of industries today at Bhumi World, and everybody is excited to be a part of this wonderful place known as Bhumi World Industrial Group. And the reason why is Bhumi World gave them the space, the amenities, the technology to expand from 1,000 or a 2,000 square feet unit to up to 50,000 square feet of unit, making them one of the biggest players in their industry. And when it comes to the ecosystem, we have more than 1,800 plus units, more than 40,000 workers and 350 plus global companies that give you an ecosystem wherein you can exchange ideas, technology, workers, labors, raw materials, finished goods, packaging, transportation, and everything that you can dream of. And everybody here is excited about the future of Bhiwandi. And with Bhiwandi growing at a huge pace, with 8-lane highways, metro stations, railway station, infrastructure development, this is going to be the city of the future. And do not miss out on the new MMRDA approved phase that gives you modern solutions to all your problems. So do not miss out on the opportunity. Come visit us here at Bhumi World.